CPSFI Celebration of Awareness Seminar Classification in the Para Sport 29-38 May 2025 in Habitat Center. Paralympic movement is different determination which athletes are eligible to compete in the sport and how athletes are grouped together for competition. यह क्लासिफिकेशन सेमिनार होगा जहां पर विकलांगों के लिए पैरा ओलंपिक गेम करने वालों के लिए एक जागरूकता चलाने का अभियान होगा, जिसे कुलवंत और बंसीलाल की रिपोर्ट ओपन वॉइस।
Their distinction and what they will be concentrating on in the next 2 days.
जो लगता है साकार होकर दिख रहा है, वो अवेयरनेस का प्रोग्राम था, सपना था कि किस तरह से इंडिया में ग्रासरूट लेवल पे काम किया जा सके। With this one, I would like to welcome all the media houses here who have gathered here to start. Conductor of this event is World Ability Sport, and we have all the 3 prominent classifiers here. In fact, Mr. Craig was also to come here, but for some personal things, he was not able to come. He wasn't here. So, as Rupinder has explained, Charmin Cooper, she is the CEO of World Ability Sport. Welcome, Charmin. And on her left is Penny. She is the IPC classifier also. Then Dr. Jabali is there, and last but not least, the person who requires no introduction is our legendary Kapil Dev. Welcome, Kapil. Association of CPSFI has gone a long way with Kapil since 2009. He has been coming and attending all our events and encouraging the children during our national championships. When I spoke to him, he was in US. And I said, this is the thing, and he's traveling most of the time. And so I requested him, and he has accepted this invitation to be present in this press conference. As again, tomorrow he's flying out. Thank you, Kapil, for taking out time. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. Just a short introduction. Part of our role as World Ability Sport is to inform and educate people around the world about parasport. Within the next 2 days, we will try to get the message across about the basic fundamentals of why classification is done, why it is important, and also to work on some myths and some misperceptions that people might have. We hope you can join us. Do come and visit the conference, and hope you go away with a lot of knowledge.
As a classifier and a physiotherapist, I am passionate, I suppose, about parasport from grassroots level right the way up to elite level. And this is elite sport. But you've got to start somewhere. You've got to start at the bottom with the kids in the playground and build up from there. And to do that, you need to provide opportunities for them. And one of those opportunities that they need is to be classified so that they can take part in properly organised elite competitions. And that's why classification is absolutely pivotal, central to parasport. I thoroughly enjoyed all the opportunities that I've had.
Give my thanks to CPSFI through its cooperation with World Ability to organize this famous seminar. I think it's the first time that a seminar like this was organized in India, and it is very, very important to give more importance to education, of course. If you want to athletes, and I will be very glad and very honored to make my experience and all my competencies at the service of all persons involved in this seminar.
I reach at this stage, I don't know what I am doing. Yeah, when you play sports, you don't talk. No, every day I talk in different places, so I don't know what I'm talking about. But thank you very much, Rajesh. You invited me for this wonderful thing. I could never ever imagine in my entire life. We will be looking after disability sports in our country. When I was growing up, they didn't have time for us, forget about the other side. Now, the media have taken so much responsibility and we perform so well internationally. Unbelievable. When I see the footage sometimes, the photographs, I get amazed to see the talent and ability of these people. And you people come here and give an opportunity to our people. Hats off to you. On behalf of all the athletes, I want to say thank you very much. You've taken pain and you made it. Good luck. And just tell the media, please support them. But उनकी ability देख के बहुत मजा आता है. उनकी performance देख के बहुत मजा आता है. Thank you very much.
What makes you happy? Oh, I'm happy to given me this gift, and thank you very much. All right. Thank you very much. कहीं ना कहीं हमारी स्पोर्ट्स ने ये रियलाइज किया है, and I'm really proud. I'm happy. I'm proud about IPL. They invited all the Army chief and everybody there, all the forces, and let's pay them respect what they have done for us and for our country. Only thing I want to say, let's not talk, show the unity, show the power. ज़्यादा बड़ी बात करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बड़े काम करने की ज़रूरत है जो हमारी आर्मी ने किया है.
Sir, after Operation Sindoor, there has been a massive unity of this country.
वैसे भी होना चाहिए यूनिटी, भाई क्या बात कर रहे हो. आफ्टर संदूर नहीं, वैसे भी हमारी यूनिटी हमारी कंट्री में है. Thank you. That's not talk, let the government talk. We people support our country, our armed forces, that's the most important. बहुत जोर जोर से परफॉर्मेंस के ऊपर हम बिलीव करते हैं और हमें मालूम है हमारी